tenacity, and the ability to stop an attack really count. On the front line, where you need a top performer, where defense makes the difference. Here's another place where defense makes the difference. And this is your top performer, the best 9K Varsity Series heavy-duty cylindrical lock set. The 9K Varsity Series is the industry leader with the most innovative attack resistance and fail-safe features in the market.
Our primary objective in development of the 9K Varsity was to deter forced entry better than any other lever cylindrical product on the market today. Several changes have been made to improve the strength. Central to our design is a special investment cast hub that incorporates several innovative features that greatly increase torque resistance. All these features make the 9K Varsity virtually impossible to break by hand.
If the lever is attacked with extraordinary torque and disabled, the new design of the 9K Varsity allows the lock to remain operational with a key. And it will still function from the inside as well. That's a level of fail-safe design that you just won't find in other locks. And due to its modular design, damaged locks are repairable by simply replacing damaged parts. Also, the 9K Varsity Series requires no special levers or modification for thick door applications, which makes it easy to order and install. Plus, the 9K Varsity Series provides all of the traditional features you expect from a best lock set and is supported by the most comprehensive and dependable service in the industry, the best service network. So you are always assured of the support you need. The 9K Varsity Series heavy-duty cylindrical lock set, your frontline defense against forced entry. Now, let's take a close-up look, a chalk talk if you will, and see exactly what makes the 9K Varsity Series the industry leader. First, the Varsity Series features the same popular levers, roses, and finishes as the current 9K, so there is no visible difference when the lock set is on the door. And the lever has a smoother, snappier operation. When you take a closer look at just the lock set, the first thing you'll notice is that it's a solid product with more substance and weight than any other lock set today. The 9K chassis is comprised of 3 components: the inside hub assembly, the retractor assembly, and the keyed assembly. Notice the retractor springs in the retractor assembly. These springs are stronger than previous models, which adds to the snappier lever operation. The outside or keyed assembly contains most of the improvements in the Varsity Series. A major difference is that the outside hub and side plate are now cast as a single component and made of a hardened steel alloy. A key element in this patent-pending design is a locking pin channel incorporated into the hub, which provides greater protection against chassis rotation. The all-new lever return torsion spring helps resist lever sag, as well as creates the much snappier lever return of the Varsity Series. The new solid alloy steel cast hub also includes a shrouded locking lug slot, which provides extra protection and prevents the hub from deforming under attack. Also, the locking lug itself is bigger, which adds to increased torque protection. And there are special shear grooves on the lug, which are designed to brake under excessive torque, allowing 93 degrees of motion without retracting the latch. The keyed sleeve is machined with extra material in the locking lug area to improve attack resistance. And it has a new seamless design, which resists excessive torque. Also, notice that the key release cam assembly now has 2 ears rather than just 1, and there are no retractor drive ears on the sleeve. This is an integral part of the changes that improve the Locksets attack resistance. because without drive ears on the sleeve, the lever can rotate the sleeve without driving the retractor. You can see that the key release cam is now slotted. When the door is locked and such extreme torque is applied that the locking lug is sheared, the key release slot provides a lost motion area, which allows the key to still unlock the lock set. Also included in the chassis assembly is the spring drive plate that transfers the spring force to the lever handle. Now let's take a look at how all of this works together when extreme torque is applied to the lever. When extreme torque is applied to the locked keyed lever, the locking lug will shear, so the door remains locked. However, access by key, as well as egress from inside, is always maintained.
Our new 9K Varsity series is your best defense against forced entry. If you haven't seen this latest addition to our family of quality products, contact your local Best Locking Systems representative today and make an appointment.
Strength, tenacity, the ability to stop an attack. Features you want in a lever-handle cylindrical lock set. The 9K Varsity series from Best Lock.